and I have static-free Bluetooth. I am beyond grateful for his help, and the product is amazing. I love it! It is worth every penny. I was researching to see if it was possible to hook up Bluetooth to my 2006 S500 Mercedes Benz. I had been disappointed several times trying out the cheaper versions that were full of static. I had been told by my Mercedes Benz mechanic that it would be costly to add on an upgraded part to my radio and not easy to do. He also said it would not be perfect. I kept researching and found the Gizmo Guy gadgets and read all the reviews. I was hesitant, but I did purchase the Bluetooth product. I also reached out to Wesley by phone. I received a call back from him. I had a few questions, and he was so helpful. Well, I installed my product, and it was a little staticky. So I called Wesley and advised him the way I installed and that I had a problem with finding the proper radio station. Wesley was so helpful. He sent me 2 videos to watch. Wesley answered all my questions, and I have static-free Bluetooth. I am beyond grateful for his help, and the product is amazing. I love it! It is worth every penny. I am not a tech-savvy person. If I can do the hookup, anyone can. Try it. You will love it. Thanks so much, Wesley. Gail Briggs.
Hey Wesley, this is Thomas. I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S430 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
This gadget is really, really worth the money. I'm telling you guys out there, if you want to keep your car original, you don't want to mess around with the radio, get this. I mean, I've used this. I bought other products. It's so staticky, you lose it. It don't work good, but this delivers what it promises. Believe me, gizmogadgets.com, you can get him. And this is a beautiful thing. I did not want to spend $700 or $800 buying a radio for my Corvette 2006, so I bought this thing. Is the transmitter really, really worth it, man? Trust me, guys, get this right here. It's worth it. Gizmoguide.com. This is not a paid advertisement, but I just wanted to help you, all you guys out there that have old cars and you want to keep your original radio, but yeah, you want to get new music and you want to use your smartphone. I got a Samsung Galaxy 8 and it's perfect. I love it. I want to thank the guy who invented this. So thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works.
Google Gizmo Guy gadgets for details.